Good morning from Myersdale, Pennsylvania. We spent one night here. My knee is feeling about the same, so it wasn't crazy overnight. It felt fine, just hurts when I twist it, so I'm gonna try not to do that. Even to get to the trail, we have to climb back up this hill, so we're gonna push it because I don't want to ride it up there.
No.
And once we get to the top, I mean, it'll be a grind because we have the trailers, but it's not really an uphill, so.
It's a gradual descent, and we decided we're just going to go to the nearest campground, which is 10 miles away.
Yeah, 10 or 11
So
miles.
we're just going to take our time, get there this afternoon. There's lots of breaks, and see if we can just slowly.
Yeah, it's afternoon here now, so we're getting a late start. Let's pack these beasts up this hill.
This is going to be a hike.
Oh boy, that's the good stuff. All right, let's get it up this hill. We made it to the top. We made it to the trail.
It took about 10 minutes to push the bikes up here.
That's a steep hill, I promise.
I know the camera never shows it, but it's pretty darn steep. Well,
Heading down the trail.
head on down the trail. So
Refilled water. Dave wrapped my knee. We'll see if that works.
it's a buff and a piece of Velcro.
Actually, it's Pistol's shirt, sun shirt.
Oh, so it's just a new medical device. One of our patrons mentioned showed a picture of his that helps him on long days on the bike, so we thought let's give it a shot.
His did not look like this. His was like an actual.
It's doing the same thing.
We'll see. Dr. Dave.
That's right. Let's go. Where are we on?
This is the Salisbury Viaduct. 1,908 feet long. Dominates the valley. 101 foot high steel trestle.
Huh.
Oh, hundreds of spectators cheered when the first train crossed in 1912. Oh, I want to cheer for the first train.
This will be fun. I don't like hikes that much, everyone knows that. Oh my gosh, honey! Don't look, this ride! Eyes forward! Oh, yeah.
We made it! We made it! Woo!
We're here, babe.
We're here.
Husky Haven Campground. How you doing, babe?
I'm getting there.
12 miles today and her knee is not better, so we may be regrouping. Don't want to make it worse. She doesn't want to complain, but I know it's bad, so it's not worth it. We'll figure it out.
We made it to Husky Haven Campground in Rockwood. Is it Rockwood?
Rockwood, Pennsylvania.
So we rode 12 miles today total, and it was semi-okay.
Your knee.
Yeah, my knee. Tolerable till about 3 or 4 miles in. And then we had to take a break every mile or two because it just got worse and worse, and it was like shooting pain up to my hip, and
Not worth it.
it's apparent if I can't even go 10 miles or 12 miles, then it's just not going to happen for me. So
She wants to, but it's not worth it.
So to cheer ourselves up, we got some pizza. Dave got a beer. He's pretty happy about that. Our task now is to figure out how we get out of here. So we don't know.
Yeah, there's no, she called some shuttle services and they're like booked out for like a week.
So I guess stay tuned to find out how we solve this little puzzle of how to get back to the van. I'm super disappointed because I really wanted to go and do this,
But like we always talk about, kind of got to practice what we preach, that things happen. You got to learn to roll with it, accept it, move on, do the next thing. You can't just dwell on when these things happen. Yeah, it's a bummer, but live to fight another day.
Yeah, I mean, a bad knee is a bummer too.
Yeah, but a worse knee is worse.
Yeah, I know. Exactly.
Like you said today, there's no trophy at the end of this ride.
No, I was mentally prepared to finish it, and so like now I just have to switch my brain into going, okay, new plan, time for something different.
Protect my knee. Health is more important.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, it's we got to figure out how to get the van and get it back and
yeah,
all the stuff. So we'll work it out.
We're working through some details on that, so stay tuned.
Right now, we're just gonna eat some pizza and drink a beer and go cuddle with Pistol. And
yeah, I'm about done. Okay, I'm gonna go get off my knee. See you guys down the road.
Carry on.
For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and
carry on.
on.